Hello friends, today we are going to talk about Zentor, an AI-based crypto trading platform that gives you great income opportunities. If you are thinking about passive income and smart investment, then this video is for you. Before starting this video, if you have come to our channel for the first time, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you keep getting notification of our every new video. Let's start. Let's know about Zentor. Zentor is an AI bot-based crypto trading platform. Here you will get income after daily trades are placed on the bot's trade and your ranking. In total, you can earn from here in 5 ways: ROI, referral, rank reward, level income, AI agent stacking and reward. This platform also provides a small wallet system in which swap features is present. Let's talk about income. There are 5 types of income here. ROI. Returns are received based on the daily trading of AI bot. Direct referral benefits. When you join someone, you will get 5% and you get AI agent stacking done, you will get 10% from it. Rank upgrade income. Increase the rank and earn more. First level $30. As soon as you have $300 in your wallet, your level will become 2. In this way, your 6th level will be completed. Level income received on team growth, stacking income based on the plan of AI agent, automatic plus manual reward based on user activity. Let's first know about rank and ROI. Your income increase based on rank. As your team and AI credits grow, the percentage of ROI also increase. You get this income up to 2x in 45. Level 1, but ROI start from 1.5% and goes up to 4.3% at 6th level. Investment start from $30 and goes up to $10,000. You will get 2x your profit in 45 days. Let us know about direct referral income. Here you will get a bonus of every direct referral. As your team grows, your earning also increase. This bonus comes to your main wallet. Next is level income and information. Zentor gives income on 4 team levels: Team A, B, C and D. At each level you will get different percentage. Team A gets income from 10% to 18% from level 1 to 6. Team B gets income from 5% to 10% from level 1 to level 6. Team C gets income from 1% to 6% from level 1 to level 6. Team D gets income from 0.9% to 0.17% from level 1 to level 6. Let us know about AI agent stacking program. Through AI agent stacking, you can earn not only from yourself but also from your team. You get 10% directly from it. From level 2, 2%. From level 3, 2%. From level 4, 1%. Means opportunity to earn up to 4 levels, that too on stacking. Let's understand with an example. Suppose someone below you stacked $1,000. So you will get $100. The person above you gets $20. His applying gets $20 and the person's applying gets $10. And this earning goes up to 4 levels. So friends, what a simple and powerful system it is, isn't it? Let's now know why to join AI agent stacking program. Automated passive earning, scalable team rewards, transparent and secured stacking, no referral cap. Means you can earn as much as you want. Let us know about AI agent stacking models. There are a total of 5 agent models: AI agent 1 to 5, whose investment limit goes to $100 to $5,000. Returns are from $110 to $24,200 and returns are from 10 days to 120 days. Daily income is from 1% to 3.2%. Each plan is redeemable, meaning it can be withdrawn at any time. Let us know some key points. Special features of each agent plan. Minimum investment is $30. The bigger the investment, the bigger the return will be. You can withdraw your capital anytime. Flexible and redeemable. Best option for customized ROI. Web3 wallets are the ones that gives you full control over your digital assets. You can connect to D apps using tools like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Coinbase. These wallets are the real power of decentralization. There are 2 types of wallets in Zentor: main wallet for ROI and trading, additional wallet for staking and extra deposits. Zentor also has a swap and transfer features. You can also use swap and transfer funds, but there are some conditions for this, such as limit of AI credit, active members and trading history. The advantage of this is that you can control your funds. Let's know about some withdrawal rules of the company. Withdrawal limit is fixed for each rank. From level 1, 2 times a month up to $400. From level 6, 7 times up to $15,000. And 5% fees will be charged on every withdrawal. Profit has to be booked manually in Zentor. If you forget, the next trade will be on limited amount. Profit is split 60% to the company and 40% to the user. Safety is very important at Zentor. Auto logout in 7 days, transparency in MSB license process, certification and notification. Every feature is designed with this in mind. So guys, Zentor is an all-in-one platform that AI trading plus rank system, dual wallets and smart features, transparent income features, team building and stacking help you scale your income. I hope friends you have liked this video. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.